Welcome game developers to Doug Teaches Ue5. Yes. Okay, so in this in this tutorial we're going to be making some landscape. So you want to click this little bit right here. It says activate landscape edited mode, blah blah blah. And I'm going to move this camera speed up all the way up. Jesus, that's huge. Yeah, it's a lot bigger. If you scroll down, you can't fill the world, make it bigger. Okay, so let's talk about what these squares are all about. These are quads. The more, if you, you can make like 64, and that'll increase the number of, squares within the squares, if that makes any sense. So if you want, overall, you can increase this number. Let's try that now. Instead of, what's this again? Wait. Overall resolution. You know what? Let's just use this. The quad, like the quads here. You can. I'll just, like for instance, we'll do 256 by 256. Wait, what? Crap! Look how many yeah, the more quads you have in here, the more detailed you can have your landscape. Keep in mind, landscape is very, very intensive. And in terms, you can do, let's do 2 by 2. What did you do now? I scaled it back so that way it's not as detail-oriented. You can make it more, if I do a 1 by 1, you have more detail to work with. So, I'm just going to set this back to, I'll do 63. You can fill the world, like I'll do it right now. That's not very bad. Keep in mind, you're looking at it from a bird's eye view. We go down. Oh shit! Yeah. That is okay. Never mind. And you can further increase this. Oh Jesus Christ! Yeah. So, like I said, I'm gonna do 63 by 63. Let's just create this stupid shit. And it's going to take some time, because of course it will. So is it just gonna, what are you gonna do? Like, are we going to, texture this thing? No, we won't texture this. Like, I'll do a texturing tutorial on this another week. It won't be next week or the week after, because next week is Christmas. I want to celebrate Christmas, and the week after that's New Year's, and I want to celebrate New Year's. So, in the landscape editor, we have like all types of brushes. As you can see, we have that. What's this one? Yeah, that. What's that one do? Holy crap! What did you? What? Yeah. What? You don't like? This is a finer brush. Oh shit! Really? Yeah. It's not that bad. I mean, like, to be fair, it's actually I'll give them credit. Like, this is actually a pretty decent brush selection. And even then, you could do the profile type. For instance, I can increase the size if I wanted to, or leave my friends behind. My friends don't dance, and if they don't dance, oh wait, no, that's tool strength. Sorry. There's the brush size. There we go. Oh, cool. Can you go behind? Can you go below 1? No, I've never actually tried that. Let me see. 0.5. Nope. Won't let you do that. So it has to be 1. Yeah, okay. And in here, you can do the same thing. Wait, you can choose the texture? Sort of. I mean, like, for instance, give me a texture to use. That one. No, that's material. Okay, let's try that. Oh shit, yeah. So let's put this back in here. Oh, fucking awesome, yeah. Again, okay, so this is important. Like, what? The channel to use. You can use red, green, blue, or the alpha. So I'll try green. Is it different? A little bit. I'll do blue. Oh, wow. And then, like, alpha, I don't think this has an alpha, so. Oh, wait. No, it doesn't. No, it doesn't. So. And scale the texture as well, which isn't bad. I'll just leave it. I'll just So, like, you can scale the texture out, and as you can see, I have more grooves. Oh, shit. Yeah. I gotta admit, this is pretty awesome. Wait, can you scale it on the U and V? Oh, no, this rotates, and... Oh, yeah, this rotates horizontally, and you can pan. Oh, that's awesome. Yeah. So if I pan this, you see how the texture's moving. Oh, okay, yeah. What's that one? That one I don't know. I have no idea what a clay brush is. Never used it. I had no reason to. I don't like using landscapes. I prefer to import my own. Like, except for Launch the Hipster. I haven't seen anything useful for the clay brush. So, let's go back up here. Click on this. Yeah, we have that. And as before, I think we can use it. Yeah, we can use the texture. Same deal, so I won't bother talking about that. Nor will I bother talking about this, because it's basically the same shit. Okay. And if you want, you can smooth this out. Oh, yeah. And flatten obviously does that. No, it doesn't. Well, you have to. The flatten brush works like this. If you're on a surface like this, then it'll flatten based on that. But if you're like here, it'll flatten based on that. Ah. Is the ramp any better? I mean, not really. Oh, really? Yeah. The ramp kind of sucks. It's still like I'll show you. You can still increase the width and the fall off. I'm not going to do that. What the target layers do? I mean, it's just which height map do you want? Wait, you can have more? You always could have more. Really? Yeah, you can have more than one landscape. How? You can literally clone it by Control W. How? And then obviously you have to move it up before you can actually add the damn ramp, and there you go. The ramps still kind of suck. Erosion, hydro, that shit's still the same. Same goes with noise. This is new, I think. What? The retopolize? Visibility, yeah. Mirrors, I haven't used it yet. Because mirror does exactly that. It copies the side of the landscape. So how would that work? So in the operations, if you want to say, like, I don't know, let's do Y to Y, and it'll mirror based on that. Really? Yeah, and then you can just apply. Or wait, no, it doesn't. I thought it did. Huh? Oh, let me try X to X then. Let's reset. Apply. What happened? It mirrors the terrain you have on land. Wow. Something like that. At least that's what I thought. Anyway. And you can copy. Anything else you can do? I mean, you can manage. You can still, like, add or delete stuff. Oh, really? Yeah. Like, not select. Let's add. You can add here. And then you can just delete them. You can move shit? Yeah, I know. It's weird, right? Really? Yeah. How does that work? Honestly, I haven't experimented with that a lot. You can resize, and that's cool. What do the splines do? I really haven't used that much. Well, let's go into paint. You have a big gaping hole. Yes, that's called a mouth. But in all honesty, there's not much. Like, landscape can be useful if you're working on an outdoorsy scene. Just be mindful. You can. I might as well just do foliage because they work hand in hand. Oh, really? Yeah. So with foliage, let's go. Try to get. Let's go. Content. Ah, fuck.
Can you apply the filters?
Yeah. So let's go. Where is static mesh?
Oh. So what are you gonna add?
I don't fucking know. 'Cause usually you're supposed to. Wait, no. I don't want you to. Oh, no. Let's. I'm trying to remember how to do this. Place actor. Foliage. Select drop foliage here. There you go. That's how you're supposed to do it. Just drop that bitch. Select it. And yeah, it's fine. Okay, density. You want to make it. You want to be careful with the density. Radius. You can upgrade this radius. Something fierce. Let it be uniform. Like scaling, you can have a freeform scaling, which is fine. There's nothing wrong with that. And then what you want to do is you want to click on the paint, and then you start painting. Doop boop boop. Hopefully it doesn't crash. Cause I think I put. Oh yeah, because it's density at 100 in it. Yeah. Fuck. This is gonna crash. Serious? I think it will. Come on. Build for me, Unreal. Don't kill. Don't die. Don't crash. Please don't crash. Please don't crash on me, Unreal. I love you. Would it help if?
Well, that's your own fault for not fucking with the density.
Yeah. Oh well. I mean, it's not the end of the fucking world.
What if it crashes? Why don't you just reset it?
Well, no, because it's like I said. There's not much of a jump. There's nothing more I could really say about this. I'll texture this I'll texture this on the Ave. But like, yeah, like these free tutorials. I'm just gonna show off how to do this, how to physics volumes, and that's about it. I think because save and load all that shit, you can still refer to my mini tutorials here. I'm still gonna remake the rail shooter.
Oh yeah, you're doing that.
Yeah, might as well. Yeah.
So, is this a done tutorial? Is this tutorial done in Rings?
Very much. I mean, there's nothing more I wanted to show off. Foliage and landscape work hand in hand. Nothing else I can really show other than that. I'm not gonna do physics volumes now. Besides, I want to get some. I have some Taco Bell that I need to eat. Plus, I gotta get Captain K up and running so we can do our recordings.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, because I have something special planned today. And then here, narrator.
And there you have it, game developers. Tune in next time for Doug teaches Ue5. And,
wow, okay.
What's it doing?
Well, it's building.
What do you mean?
It's building the fucking textures. It's rendering it.
But why did it only be one?
Let's go to select. Let's downgrade the density to something. Well, to be fair, the radius is all over the place. I'm just gonna put 15 and a radius of 20. Oh, right there. The neck. Now let's paint. Brush. There we go.
Oh.
Yeah, because it's all over the place.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Ooh, nice. Yeah.
Is there anything else you wanted to show off?
Not, like I said, not really. You want, you could just highlight the whole thing and delete it. Other than that, I mean, like, you could do max draw. No. Cull? No. Okay. Let's go back into foliage. Where's the culling for this thing?
Culling?
You want to make sure that you're... Because you want to... hit the down, show advance. Nope. Radius, uniform scale, placement, no. Height, thing. Here it is. Min and max cull distancing. So what this is basically means, because you don't want it to be rendered constantly. That's not how, you don't want your foliage to be rendered constantly. If you want, you can like say, okay, render within a minimum of like, I don't know, 150 and a maximum of like 500, I guess. There we go.
So you have to be within that. Oh, okay. So then,
That means if you're within these two numbers, they'll actually blip into existence. Otherwise, no.
okay. Is there another way you can?
It has, your maximum can't be lower than your minimum, obviously. So you have to have a good minimum and a good maximum. Your minimum can't be over your maximum either, for obvious reasons. And yeah, I mean, other than that, like I said, there's nothing more I can really show off for landscaping, because it's just landscape. It's the same shit. If you use it in Unreal 4, then this isn't much of a jump.
Okay. Do we still say there you have it?
Obviously.
And there you have it, game developers. Tune in next time for Doug Teaches Unreal 5, which will be in, what, 2 weeks?
Yeah, because I want to take Christmas and New Year's off.
Okay. Later, everyone. Unless you want to do Friday.
No. Friday's Christmas Eve. And Friday after that is New Year's Eve. Fuck you.
Okay.
Fuck you!